Imagine a giant field of white golf balls dropped in the middle of Australia's red desert. That's Pine Gap, officially the Joint Defence Facility Pine Gap, just outside Alice Springs. It's one of the most secretive intelligence sites on Earth. Here's the rumor-to-reality arc of what's really going on there. First, the rumors. People say Pine Gap hides a massive underground city, that it tracks every phone in the southern hemisphere, that it's a portal for UFOs, that it's a weather control station, that it's a satellite death ray hub. The remoteness, the domes, the fences, the no-fly zone, it all feeds that imagination. Now, the reality we can actually point to. Pine Gap was set up in the late 1960s under a US-Australia agreement. It's run by Australia's Defence Department with the US intelligence community. Think NSA, CIA, NRO. Its job: space-based surveillance and signals intelligence. Those white domes, radomes, hide satellite dishes. They talk to geosynchronous satellites parked high over the equator, listening for radio signals, listening for microwave signals, military communications, missile tests, telemetry, leaked documents over the years, including the Snowden files. Linked to the Five Eyes network, code names like Rainfall. It's part of the early warning web that detects missile launches, helps geolocate emitters on the ground. That geolocation makes Pine Gap powerful and controversial. During post-9/11 conflicts, reporting and declassified hints suggest the data helped target people in war zones. Critics in Australia have protested there for decades. Supporters say it deters threats, catches spies, and spots missiles early. So, what about the wilder stuff? Underground cities, there's no credible evidence. You can bury cables or secure rooms, sure, but a secret metropolis would leave a footprint. UFO portal, Pine Gap tracks signals. It's not a Stargate. Weather control, different tech entirely. This isn't HARP. Satellite death rays. The gear is for listening and data relay, not zapping. Why put it in the dead center of Australia? Geography. Far from hostile ships and prying antennas, under clean skies, stable allied government. Central Australia reduces interference and offers line-of-sight windows to satellites covering a huge chunk of the eastern hemisphere. How secret is it? Very. The outer facts are public. When it began, who runs it, the broad mission. The guts, frequencies, targets, algorithms. Which satellites are live, those are classified. Secrecy invites speculation, and speculation loves a good desert base. Here's my takeaway. Pine Gap is less Area 51 for aliens and more server farm for space ears. It's a critical node in a global intelligence machine that affects real lives and policies. The myths say magic, the reality says math, microwaves, geopolitics. Stay curious, verify the claims, and remember, in places built to hide signals, silence always sounds like a mystery.